Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to make a light and extremely delicious South Indian mixture. This is a crunchy snack mix made with flattened rice, sev and nuts and is a great tea time accompaniment. Let's begin by making Ompodi or sev. Start off by making a fine powder of roasted Omam powder or ajwain seeds. To a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of gram flour, 1 teaspoon roasted Omam powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of hing, and about a teaspoon of salt. To this, add 1 tablespoon hot ghee. You can also use hot butter or oil here as per your liking. Now, carefully combine all the ingredients well. Then add water a little at a time and mix to make a soft dough. Now, fit the Murukku press with a fine hole disc, grease the insides and fill in the dough. Squeeze the dough into a pan of hot oil and fry on medium heat. Gently flip over and continue to fry. And once the bubbles reduce, remove onto a tissue. Set this Ompodi aside. Next, make butter Murukku or benne Murukku. First, in a mixing bowl, take 3 cups of rice flour. To this, add half cup Bengal gram flour, 1 tablespoon fried gram flour, half tablespoon salt, 1 heaped tablespoon of fresh butter. Mix this well. Now add water little by little and mix to form a soft dough without cracks. Next, take some dough and fill into a greased Murukku press. You can choose to fit the press with any shape plate. Here, I have fitted with the round shape mold. You can choose a star or a thicker or a thinner round. Heat oil in a kadai. When the oil is hot, press the Murukku dough into the kadai in circles as to spread the dough without much overlap. Let this fry for 2 minutes and then flip and fry till the bubbles reduce and the Murukku turns slightly golden. Remove from oil and place on kitchen towel to drain excess oil. Repeat and fry all the remaining dough. Set this Murukku aside. Now let's make some simple Maida biscuits. Let's get started off by taking 2 tablespoons ghee in a mixing bowl. To this, add half cup powdered sugar. Mix this well to a smooth paste. Now add 2 cups maida and mix this thoroughly again. Once this is mixed well, add water little by little and mix to make a soft dough. Now sprinkle some flour on your bench. Take a small portion of the dough and flatten it. Sprinkle some flour over the dough and flatten the dough evenly using a rolling pin to about a 1/4 inch thick. With a sharp knife, cut the flattened dough into small diamonds. Let these air dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, take a few pieces on a ladle and gently slip these into hot oil. Make sure to be gentle here as the oil will splatter quite a bit. Fry these while stirring occasionally until the biscuits turn golden. Once nice and golden, remove and place on tissue to drain the excess oil. Set these biscuits aside. Next, heat oil in a pan and fry thick flattened rice a little at a time. Fry for a few seconds until crisp. Remove onto a tissue. Next, add in 1/3 cup of fried gram and fry till golden. And set aside. Next, fry 1/3 cup of raw peanuts till done. Remove and set this along with the fried gram. Next, fry 1/3 cup of cashews and fry till golden. Remove and set aside with nuts. Now, fry a handful of curry leaves until they turn crisp. Remove and set aside with the nuts. Now, in a large mixing bowl, take the fried flattened rice. Add in all the fried nuts and curry leaves, 2 cups of Ompodi, 2 cups of butter Murukku, 1½ cups of Maida biscuits, and mix this until well combined. Light and delicious mixture is ready. Hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try and enjoy. See you next time.